And so it came to pass again on the weekend, this time at the Pan Am Games. 3 of Jamaica's 4 relay teams finished out of the frame. The men's 4x1 finished 5th. The women's 4x1 finished 5th. And the men's 4x4, them say 6 is real. Them run 6. It was only the women's mile relay team that held on for a bronze medal. It was a most un-Jamaican-like representation on the international stage. And when we look at who beat Jamaica, countries like Canada and Ecuador and Brazil, you'd think it's ice hockey and football. But seriously though, I think it better Jamaica did not enter some of those events rather than enter some of the teams we see embarrassing and desecrating the name of Jamaican sprinting. And another thing, Elaine Thompson, Shelley and Fraser Price, and even Brianna Williams were all in Peru. Yet, none of them ran the relays. Why? And remember now, there were no rounds. This was just a one-off final. Why the big guns never come represent Jamaica? And look, word from the Jamaican authorities is that these Pan Am Games were being used as a dry run or rehearsals for the big World Championships coming up next month. Well, if this are the dry run, we want to wet up. Yes. We need some water. Yes, we need some water. Yes. Jamaica, we need some water.